In this question number 6, we have to find area and perimeter of this given figure. Now first, to find area, we can clearly see this figure is made up of two semicircles. When they are combined, they make up a complete circle. Half this circle and half this circle, it makes up one complete circle. So the area of this figure is area of circle, complete circle, plus the area of this rectangle. Now to find area of circle, we must know its formula, that is pi r square. As we can clearly see, it is a complete circle, half circle and half circle. So pi r square plus area of rectangle, this rectangle which is in between these semicircles, area of rectangle is length multiplied breadth. Now to find area, we must know the radius of this semicircle or this complete circle, and we must know the length and the width of the rectangle. We can clearly see the length of the rectangle is 21, but we do not know the width, this length, we do not know the width, and we also do not know the radius of this radius of this semicircle. Now we must know the radius of the semicircle. So we can clearly see this length is 21 centimeter, which is obviously the diameter of the semicircle. So half of 21 is 10.5. So 10.5 becomes the radius of this semicircle. 10.5. So this must also be 10.5, as this is also 21, the diameter. This again 10.5, 10.5. So we can clearly see the radius of this semicircle is 10.5. So let's put the value 22 by 7 into 10.5 square. Now what about the width? Now rectangle, you can clearly see this length is 21 and this length from here to here, this is 36. Now this part is 10.5 and this part again is 10.5. So what about this length? The width of rectangle becomes 36 minus 10.5, 10.5. It means 36 minus 21. 10.5 यहाँ से कट गया, 10.5 यहाँ से. So this becomes 36 minus 21, which is equal to 15. So this length is 15 and this is also 15. So width of rectangle is now 15 centimeter. So let's put the values. So what do we get? The area of circle, this half circle and this half circle, it becomes 346.5, and the area of this rectangle which is in between these circles, it becomes 21 multiplied 5, that is 315. So the total area of the figure is 661.5 centimeter. So in this way we can find the area. Now what about the perimeter? The perimeter is actually the length of the boundary of the figure. So this part of boundary is 15. So we'll write 15 plus this part of boundary is again 15. 15 plus 15. Now this diameter and this diameter is not the part of boundary, hence this will not be included in the perimeter. So this 15 straight side and this 15 is part of the boundary, and now these curved part, half this and half this is the part of the boundary, and this half makes up a complete circle. So 15 plus 15 plus the circumference of a complete circle, this half and this half, it makes up a complete circle. So circumference of a circle is 2 pi r or pi d. So we know the diameter, 15 plus 15, 30, and 22 by 7 multiplied diameter is 21. This we can use diameter. So after calculating we get 3 plus 66, that is equal to 96 centimeter. So this becomes the perimeter. In perimeter we only calculate the boundary, not the these sides. These sides are not included. So in boundary we have this 15, and this curved side and this curved side, which make up a complete circle. So 15 plus pi d, this whole circumference. In this way we can calculate the perimeter as well.